Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 33 of building the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series. In this issue, we're continuing the suspension that we were doing last time. After looking at what have we got? Fine Funny Friends. Yeah, there we go. Read all about that issue, that episode, if you like. And we'll look at the comics for a bit. And versus the Justice League, yeah, it's often on the other side. It's sort of, yeah. Here we go. Superman looking a bit unhappy there. Detective Comics. More Batman stuff, as you would expect in the Batman magazine. So, yes, this is what we've got. We've got the other part of the suspension, which we're going to fit basically exactly the same as we did the other side, but on this side. So that will be going on there. And then we'll put that aside, ready for that to be attached, I believe, next time to the main chassis itself. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it built. Right, here we go. From before, we've obviously got the bit we've already built. We're going to do exactly the same again over on this side. So I've got that ready. I couldn't remember exactly what bolts and screws things, so I've sorted out all of my existing spanners from Partworks. So I shall be using those, whichever one I need. Let's get this the right way around. It's not that way around. That way around. Same way as the other side. So we need the bracket that goes through, and a screw will hold that in place. We've got bolts and screws. We've been sorting things out. Not what I need today. So we get a screw out from there. Go on there. Now we've got to make sure we get this the right way round with that bit into the corner there. Sort of the opposite of the other side there. Comes off the inside like that. That goes over there. That goes over there. The screw will hold that together. Looks that way. Over the post. There we go. Hopefully that will work. If I get it lined up properly. There, make sure it's all lined up, and then I can tighten it down. That was the right way up, yep. So that will hold that in place, but not as securely as that side, because we've still got to put on our brackets, which go on the other side. Across there, up and through the two holes. Like that. And then we need the bolts, which will hold that in place. They give you a spare bolt, so try that again. Now I've got the bolt ready. Lined up through there, onto there. One bolt on there, one bolt on the other side. Drop it. Right, let's get that on there as well. These you do need to tighten up in sequence. Just get one side really tight, then the other side is not going to like it very much. What I'm going to do is get all of these on first. And then I can come back tighten them all up a little bit, one at a time, to try and get them evenly tightened. There, that one, and that one. Go. Now this is going to be the easiest one, assuming it's the right size. But it certainly isn't. That side isn't. These are the right size. I think this is going to be either. They're all too big. It's going to have to be one of these, which is going to take longer. So let me get those done off camera, tightened up, and then we'll see about attaching the final bit. Right, that's that attached on there. Same. Then we just need our other EM screw through here to hold that onto there. Get that through there first. There's not been able to get that through there. There we go. That onto there. Nice and easy. He says not been able to do it nice and easy. Open this wrap. This is being a nasty pain for me. That is the right way round. Yeah, I'm just not lining it up very well. Work on that one more time. In there. That in there. There it is. Yep, there we go. So that's that. I shall get that tightened up, but that is that done and ready to be put aside until the next time. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more. Bye for now.